And the membrane, cell membrane that is, it's phospholipid bilayer and proteins keep it safe. Protecting like the cell, like I'm Bruce Wayne. Helping shake it up like I'm father figure. I'm Frank Lloyd Wright when it comes to cell architecture. I'm known by the fluid mosaic model, looking like clever on full throttle. Osmosis and diffusion, I'm just helping little guys through transporters and proteins, and it's like you.
Step aside, fools, I'm the cytoplasm. I hold this joint together, don't have a spasm. I'm made up of water and some kinds of protein. Without my organelle homies, I'll never be seen. Lysosomes are purple and chloroplasts are green. DNA in the nucleus, show me your genes. Yo, I'm the cytoskeleton and I'm here to say my filaments give shape in a major way. My viruses be tripping, but they don't realize they ain't got nothing on me. Take it, rough ER, synthesize! Oh.
Listen up, dudes, I'm the rough ER. When it comes to organelles, I'm a superstar. Like cytoplasm says, I synthesize proteins, take amino acids, link them up, it's no thing. Roughed up with ribosomes, I'm a squiggly structure. Give proteins to the smooth at our conjuncture. Now, I'ma pass you to the smooth ER. Manufacture lipids to the near and far.
Smooth ER, separate from the rough. My job is detox when some things are tough. Synthesizing lipids so your cells don't die. Metabolizing carbs, macromolecules say bye. Attaching protein receptors is also what I do. My glucoside's phosphate helps in gluconeogenesis too. I lack ribosomes unlike my friend here, rough. Tubular in form, not that sheet-like stuff. Cycloplasmic reticulum, my friend, stores ions, and finding needed compounds won't take eons. Attached to the nuclear envelope. Delivery system Golgi, take the rope.
Synthesizing is my status, my name is the Golgi apparatus, and I'm gonna show you how you enter a good campus as long as I get help from my homie, Mr. Vares. Oh! I'm a keeper to the cell, that's probably why my name rings a bell. I transport proteins as I modify lipids first. You know, the stuff that's... Just... You know the stuff that is contained in your oatmeal because protein rhymes with oatmeal somehow and stuff.
Why, hello there, my friends. I'm the Cilia. I'd understand if you were shocked by my psychodelia. I might be small, but it's all good. Living all around this surface hood. Being pretty small, I get around. I'm the slickest part of the cell, hands down. When I say small, that ain't no joke. 1 to 10 micrometers, that's a pretty small scope. There are 2 types of me, the moving and the not. I'm telling you guys, without me you'd rot. I look like hairs that work like oars, coming out of itty-bitty little pores. This flow's pretty chill, but I think it's slowing down. I think it's time to hand this rap off to the other side of town.
I am found in all 3 domains. If you run a different game, then you can step off my lane. I have victory around the surface, and I only have one purpose. Selectively permeable, keep cells safe and sound. By cilia and flagella, the cell propels around. Coral microtubules, which are all minuscule, far from amorphous and tougher than an Ursus. Move so fast you just can't tell. Sways like a whip from the base to the tip. Talking about the flagella, who is one cool fella.
I'm the nucleus and I'm the brain. If you need to know what's up, I'm your main. I control what you do, like it or not. I've got your DNA, that's what I got. I contain most of the cell's genetic material. Proteins like histones are imperial. I was discovered by a man named Robert Brown, so I guess let's just give him the crown. I made up the nuclear envelope and nuclear pores, also the nucleolus, that's better than yours. The speed is sick, yeah, you know it's true. Even the mitochondria is better than you. What?
Listen up, y'all, it's the mitochondria. I power the cell, I'm the powerhouse man. The cell would be gone without my organelle. I have an aerobic prokaryote, critical to evolution of eukaryote. Now it's time to jump, here you go, bud, take it away. Show them how it's done.
Hey, do you like to divide? Well, I'm the centriole, and I'm on your side. Mitosis is how I rule, releasing spindle fibers as my tool. I can be found in the animal cell, don't even try the plant. My triple microtubules are too rad for a plant. 18 chromosomes in a time of division. I may look small, but I make the right incision. My tubular looks make me look fly, don't try and deny. I will help make the cells that are missing. You're next, my turn's acting.
Vacuoles. So the cytoplasmic fluids, they're like a well, making up the sac of membrane in our homie the cell, filled with minerals, taking orders from the nucleus, the OG general. Yo, that's the vacuole. It has segments that are tiny, yeah, you know the vesicles, forming naturally over time, so casually just like my rhymes. Continuity. Traveling through microtubules, you should know this. No ambiguity. Functions in metabolism and storage of enzymes. Biology isn't a game, unlike your childish rhymes. Vesicles! Yeah, they're major players, so important they have their own guards. Lipid bilayers.
Chloroplasts take in the sun, turn it into energy. It's so much fun. Using photosynthesis in plants and protists, CO2, H2O is what they use the mostest. Forming this energy with help of ATP, they even help make the leaves turn green. These organelles have their own DNA. They even contain multiple membranes. Chloroplasts also don't stay in one place. They float around the cell like they're stuck in space.
Now you have to listen about lysosomes, inner cell digestion. Oh, now your mind's blown. Take the proteins and break them down. The recycling center of this town. Get low on the pH scale, destroying organelles because they're frail. It's a process called phagocytosis. It's a subgroup of endocytosis. What? What's that you say? Molecules come in, don't push them away. That's exo. What's next though? I'm done here.
It's pretty good to see that the spiral